Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SLP token. After breaking out this triangle, this symmetrical triangle, SLP has formed another descending triangle, and in today's video we will analyze, are we going to break out the resistance of this triangle, or we are going to move more down. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe, and for more ideas you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this daily time frame, and here we have been watching that SLP was moving in the longest channel in its history that was started here back in July 2021, and finally here at the starting of Feb 2022, it has broken out the resistance of this channel. And after breaking out this resistance, it retested the previous resistance of the channel as a support and likely to move up from here. But you can see that this red line is a very, very big hurdle. And back when we had a breakout here, we were having a breakout here in November 2021. You can see that this 100 simple moving average, this red line, worked as a very, very strong resistance, and the price line strongly rejected. And even after several attempts here, we have several touch points at the resistance of this channel. The price line rejected back and moved down all the way up to even below 1 cent, $0.0087. And from here, after testing the support, the price line rallied very well and broke out the resistance. And from this low to this high, the price line rallied more than 370%, and now we are having some accumulation above the resistance of this down channel on the daily time frame. And we have broken out the 25 simple moving average. We have broken out this green line, that is a 50 daily simple moving average. Now we are stuck below the 100 daily simple moving average, and you can see that this 200 simple moving average is moving to the downside. 50 is slightly moving to the upside. So once we will have this golden cross, like this 50 simple moving average will cross up the 200 simple moving average on the daily time frame, that will be a very, very bullish sign on this daily time frame chart for SLP, and we can expect a long-term rally after that, and both moving averages can work as a very strong support for SLP token. Now let's take a look at the hourly time frame chart that I was showing you. First, we found this up channel, and we broke down the support, and while moving to the downside, we formed another down channel. We broke out. While breaking out, we formed another symmetrical triangle. We broke out the resistance of the triangle, and after this breakout, the price line has again formed another descending triangle. Right now we are again testing the support of this triangle, and you can see that the triangle is quite squeezed now, and it is possible that soon it will break out or break down the resistance or support. And if the price line breaks down the support, then we may test the next support, the price support at 2.45. However, the target to the downside after the breakdown for the triangle will be approximately at 2.28 cents. And in case of breakout, the price line can even break out the next price level resistance that we have here at 3.2 cents, and the target for the breakout will be approximately at 3.8 cents. So next few hours are again really, very important. We are at the end of the triangle, and at any time today we can expect this breakout or breakdown. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.